What's up guys, Saif Ashraf here, welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to be ranting to you about why the iPhone 16s and the 16 Pros are a pile of rubbish in terms of one specific factor. Let's get into it. So if you guys have been seeing Apple's advertisements and Apple's main thing this year, it's going to be Apple Intelligence. Like, that's been all the craze. Ever since ChatGPT came out and Samsung have added their Galaxy AI and Google have added their Gemini, everybody's been going crazy about what Apple's going to do. Like, come on, you can't leave this field empty. So yeah, Apple came out in WWDC and said, hey, we're coming out with Apple Intelligence. But they're not coming out with it. The iPhone 16 Pros, on the other hand, have come out. I have one in my hand right now. But when I open the phone, this isn't Apple Intelligence. And the main problem I have with this is the fact that Apple is really marketing these phones as having Apple Intelligence. This is the new thing that the iPhone 16 Pros are built from. Like, the iPhone 16 Pros are all built about Apple Intelligence, but I don't have any Apple Intelligence in this phone. Now, this is crazy for a couple reasons. In one way, this is basically a half-complete phone. Apple are selling a half-complete phone. In all the advertisements, I'm going to put it on display right now. The event for the iPhone 16 Pros was called Glow Time. Glow Time meaning what? The Apple Intelligence, the new glowing thing that they have around the screen. Then in all the advertisements, it says, hello Apple Intelligence. But I'm not saying hello to anything. I'm saying hello to the old Siri. There is one way to get the new Apple Intelligence, and that's by using the beta. But the beta is a beta. That's for developers. I'm talking about how there's no Apple Intelligence for any of the normal public. Everybody's going to be looking at this phone and seeing the newest feature is Apple Intelligence, but nobody's going to be getting Apple Intelligence for at least a couple months. I live in the UK and it might be delayed as soon as December or January, and that's literally a couple months away. Half the functionality of the phone isn't even going to be here. Now, I'm going to be honest, yes, I still have a iPhone 16 Pro. I've got the display, I've got the performance, I've got the good cameras, but the new thing compared to the 15 Pro, actually, no, the 15 Pro has Apple Intelligence too. That isn't coming until it comes to this phone. But the new thing was supposed to be Apple Intelligence. If you take Apple Intelligence out of the equation, nobody would have bought this phone. This is the exact same phone as the iPhone 15 Pro. If they didn't bring out Apple Intelligence, the only thing they would say is we've added a slightly better camera for the ultra wide, and the display, the bezels have got thinner. Apart from that, this is the exact same phone. So yeah, I'm pretty upset that the fact that we haven't got Apple Intelligence as soon as we could have, like when the phone's released. And I guess some of the point is that they really want it polished. They don't want it to have any mistakes because Apple is Apple. They often bring out their products and have it be the best, the perfect in all of the market. But then again, if it was really that serious, maybe you should have delayed the release of the iPhone 16 Pros, or you should have done something to do with the AI, because at the end of the day, this is a half-complete phone without Apple Intelligence, what they're selling this phone about for. What do you guys think? Will you be using Apple Intelligence when it comes out? Is it really a deal breaker for you? The only reason it is for me is because, honestly, it's something new. We haven't seen something like Apple Intelligence or AI in phones majorly over the past couple years. It's only been coming now, like to Gemini with the Google Pixels and the S24 Ultras, and Galaxy AI with the S24 Ultras. The S24 Ultra released with Galaxy AI, and I have an empty phone here. But yeah, that was just me doing a little bit of a rant. I just think that a lot of other companies would have been heavily criticized if they did the same thing. If Samsung did, hey, buy our phones, we're going to give you Galaxy AI, but in a couple months, a lot of people would be hating on Samsung. But they delivered and they gave you Galaxy AI as soon as the phone came out. On the other hand, the iPhone's like, hey, we'll give it to you soon, but you should still buy our phones. And I'm guessing that's a big reason why the iPhone 16 Pros, this one specifically, has been down in sales by from 10 to 20% from last year. But yeah, we'll have to wait and see about Apple Intelligence. I don't want to download the beta because I want to experience the phone for how it is instead of having to force myself to get the features. But yeah, that was just a little rant about what Apple have been doing with their Apple Intelligence features. But yeah, if you guys enjoy these kinds of rants, let me know in the comments. Let me know. But yeah, thank you guys for watching, and I'll probably see you guys very soon with the next video about the iPhone 16 Pro. And yeah, see you guys in a bit. Peace.